Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can archive messages on your iPhone. Now here we have opened our iPhone and you can see here different apps. Here you have to go to the messages and here in the messages you can see your different messages. Here just keep one thing in your mind that there is no direct way of archiving messages on the iPhone. So the first step is always choose the Find tool. It is a professional backup software for the iOS devices and is used to archive and backup the messages on your computer. It can backup iPhone text messages at an amazing speed of 2000 per 20 seconds and which is also tested speed. Now let's talk about how you can use that and you can backup that. For that you have to click on iPhone backup and then on this selective backup and click on get start. Here you have to select messages. You can also select other things as well. I will just go with messages. Now here you have to select the messages that you want to restore. Then simply click on restore and then start backup. And here you must choose a path to save these backups in your computer. After that your messages will be backup. That's how you can use this Find tool to backup your messages. Now let's talk about one more step. Take screenshots. It's also highly recommended to take screenshots of your messages. Even here you can also use this phone tool to restore your deleted screenshot images. You can do that by simply taking screenshots. Another method is making notes. If the messages are not that much long, then you can go to your messages and you can copy your messages and you can paste that in the notes. You can also use iTunes or iCloud for backup. iTunes is really famous among people, so here you can go and you can apply for backup, but here the problem is that existing data will also be risk and there are chances of losing the data. So it's highly recommend to go with the first step with the phone tool, because in the phone tool there are no risk of losing the existing data. And here in the iTunes you don't have any selective option, you have to restore all the data. And now let's talk about the iCloud. In the iCloud you can see here many options and here you can just go and you can click on messages and you can restore that. But here you only have 5 GB free. For more GB you have to buy their subscription plans. You can see the plans here. And if you have space you can go and you can enable messages there and you can restore the messages from there. And there's also one more way is to go and delete your message and later on you can restore that. Here you have to select the message that you want to archive. So for example here we have this number, so I want to archive that. Here when you will swipe you can see this option delete here. So just you have to click on delete and you have to delete that. Don't worry, I will teach you how you can restore. Now here you have to go and you have to click on this edit option and here when you will click you can see this option show recently deletes. Now here in the recently deletes you can see your message that you have deleted. You can select the message and you can recover. That's how easy and simple you can archive messages in the iPhone. There is no direct way of doing that in the iPhone, but here with the help of this method you can archive messages easily on your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.